In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to hit biometrics and password. Then tap on lock screen password. Hit change unlock method and tap on one of those options: forged pin, custom pin, pattern or password. When you're ready, you need to create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint, select add in the pop-up, and if you don't, hit cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!